Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying the exact model and chipset. This matters because Imei R3.0.0.1 targets specific hardware. Once done, install the tool and the correct USB drivers. Make sure the cable is data grade. You must back up the EFS and current Imei. This preserves the original state if something fails. Now connect the phone in the required mode. Follow the tool prompts to detect the device, and do not interrupt the connection while the software initializes. Next, you choose the device profile in the app so the correct protocols are used. Wrong profile causes failures. Then load or type the 15-digit Imei and pick the appropriate write mode. Imei only is faster. Full NVM is safer for corrupted partitions. Start the operation and watch logs. The software will show progress and low-level responses. If it pauses, let it complete retries. Aborting mid-write risks bricking the radio partition, so be patient and observant. Finally, reboot the device and confirm the new Imei with the dialer and network registration. This proves the change took effect. If you lose signal or the Imei shows invalid, restore the EFS backup and retry the write using the alternate driver option. Make sure to try a different USB port or cable, and if troubles persist, capture the tool log. Those lines reveal error codes you can use to select another write method or driver. One key tip: always retry on a different PC before assuming.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.